Good morning, students. I am OP Miss from KG1 class. Today I am going to discuss the subject of English. The book name is Literacy Skill Book. The subject is English and the book name is Literacy Skill Book. So this previous chapters has already been taught in the class. So I am going to start from this chapter, chapter number 7. So the topic is letter, capital letter. Okay, so this is the letter of capital A. So this is only oral. This is only oral. A for, and you have to say A for any three or any two, that is angel, A for apple, A for ant, etc. Then only oral, not writing, but you have to write, you have to practice the writing of A, B, C, D, that means A to Z. But now in this chapter you have to tell only the oral. A for angel, apple and ant. Then you have to write here capital only A. Then write then the next page is page number 9. Write the topic is write the first letter of each picture. Write and practice the following first letter. You have to write only the first letter, that is, here is one blank and then small letter starting, but at first you have to practice writing capital. But now you may also write this small letter also. So in this blank you have to write capital A. Then ambulance, you have to write capital A, ambulance. Then ant, A-N-T, ant, you have to write A. That means in this chapter you have to practice the writing of capital A. Then the next chapter is B. This is also B for oral, only oral. B for, that is B for bird, and then B for butterfly, B for bear. And here you have to write the capital writing of B. Okay. Then circle the picture that begin with B. You may practice this is in your home. Then the next page is page number 12. Page number 12. That is B for baby, B for bag. Here you have to write the capital B, capital baby, capital bus, that means B. You have to write, you have to practice the writing of B. Then here oral, C for, this is C for cow, C for carrot, C for cat, in this way. This is the similar way. Everything is in a similar way. Then here you have to write capital D. Then here is D for duck, D for dog, then D for drum, in this way. This is oral, D for. You have to say only 2 or 3, that is D for. If I'll say that D for, then you have to say D for duck, D for dog, then D for dish or D for drum. And then here you have to practice writing D. Then here you have to practice writing the capital D. Doll, this is dog, this is doll, D-O-double-L, doll, D-O-G, dog. Then drum, D-R-U-M, drum. This is the practice of this page, is the practice of writing D. Then the letter of E. E for oral, E for elephant, E for egg, then okay, that's it. E for eagle also here. Then here you have to write the capital E. Here you have to write the capital E, capital E. Here is a one blank. Here is also blank. In this blank area you have to write the capital E. Then here also similar way. F for fox, F for frog, F for flower, F for fish. Then here you have to practice writing F. And remember one thing, after we finish the writing of capital A to Z, then we will begin the small letter of A to Z. First we have to practice writing and finish writing A to Z. Then we will start small letter of A to Z. Then here also fan, fire, face, fly, in this way. Here also G is also oral. G for grapes, G for girl, G for guitar, G for giraffe, in this way. Then G, this is G. This is, you have to practice writing G in this blank area. Then H is also oral. H for house, H for hen, in this way. You have to write here capital H. Then here H for hat, H for hut, H for hair, H for hanger. Then oral I. This is I. I for ice cream, I for insect, I for eyes, I for ink. This is ink. Then J for jam, J for jar, J for juice. In this way oral. Then you have to write here capital Z. After finishing capital writing in this area, then you have to start from here small letter of G. But now we have to write only capital. After finishing capital, we will write here in this line. You may also practice these things in your home also. This is starting of capital letter of J. J for jet, J for jug, then J for jacket, J for jelly. You have to practice writing J. Then K is oral. K for king, then K for kite, then K for kiwi. Here you have to write the capital K. Then in this blank you have to write K. You have to write K. King, kettle, kite, kangaroo. Here is L, starting of L. L for lion, L for light, then L for lemon. Then L, you have to write here capital L. Here is starting of L. Then you have to write in this blank L. This is leaf, L-E-F, leaf, L-O-C-K, lock, lemon, L-E-M-O-N, lemon, lily. You have to practice. Then here M, starting of M. M for mango, M for man, M for monkey, M for mouse. Then here you have to write practice capital writing of M. Then mug, you have to write practice writing in this blank M. Mug, M-U-G, mug, M-U-G, mud, milk, M-I-L-K, milk, mat, M-O-P, mop, mushroom, M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M, mushroom. This is no need. Then here write the missing letter. You have to practice the writing of missing letter. That is, here is A. Then in this area here is blank. You have to write here B, then C, then D, then E, then F, then G, then H. In the blank area you have to write the missing letter. This is N. Again this is oral, N for. Then you have to write capital N, then nest, then nails, then needle, then nut, then numbers, then oral O. O for owl, O for onion, O for orange. Then you have to write here capital O. Then in this blank area you have to write O, then olives, O, then orange, then onion, then ostrich. You have to practice only the capital writing of O. Then this is the starting of the oral P. P for panda, P for pineapple, P for parrot, P for pencil. Then you have to write here the capital P. Okay, that is all for today.